Months ago, an AI agent started lying to cover its own tracks. And what it did next caused a startup everything. Jason Lemkin is a founder of SaaStr, a big name in venture capital, but he's not an engineer. He hasn't written code since high school, but he was using Replit's AI agent to build an app with some vibe coding, and for a while it was working great. But then he noticed something a little weird going on. The app had bugs, but the test said that everything was passing. The report said that everything was passing. So, as anyone would do, he dove in and started debugging and realized the AI had been creating fake data, fake reports, fake unit tests, fake everything, basically to cover the fact that everything was broken and nothing was actually working. The agent was lying to cover up its own failures, not hallucinating, not confused, just straight up lying to you, to him. And then here's where it gets worse. They were in a code freeze, which means it wasn't supposed to make any changes to production. He said, don't touch production. What do we think the agent did? It touched production, modified the code anyways, and then just deleted everything. Replit's CEO had responded publicly, said it was unacceptable, should never be possible, and they have made changes with backups since then. But here's what broke my brain. The next day, the agent had suggested 3 new interesting ideas for a feature, and Lemkin said he couldn't help himself, and so he was right back. The agent lied to him, ignored his instructions, and deleted his DM, and he still went back to it the next day. That's really not an AI problem, that's an us problem. What do you think? What do you think about these AI instances?